Hi everyone, it's Marissa from RecPro.com. Thanks so much for joining us. Today we're here with Eric. He's been working in the RV industry for about 6 years, and he's going to be our RV expert for our new product, the trim. This is the RV awning trim with gutter. So the part number for this is going to be RP-TRM-GTR-AWN. So this is sold in 92-inch length, and it is also sold in black or Arctic white. It's made in the USA, and it is made of powder-coated aluminum. We also sell this in a kit, which comes with stainless steel screws, butyl, and pretty much everything you need to fit your project. So Eric here is going to tell us a little bit more about where it goes, what it does, and all that fun stuff.
Hello there, my name is Eric. As Marissa mentioned, I worked in the RV industry for about 6 years. Today we'll be talking about the awning trim with built-in gutter. So this trim will go up at the top of the unit, and it works as a anchor for your rubber roof to make sure that stays in place, and it also has a gutter right here, and then your awning will slide right through this tube here. And when you install it, you're going to want to put butyl along the back side here over your screw holes, and again, make sure that you catch your rubber roof when you're installing this, because it does hold it down. And then, yeah, your awning will slide right in here into this tube, and it'll catch the rain as it runs off your roof, and then it won't come off your awning and do that. So, yeah, that's the trim, and pretty simple to install. Now I will say this trim will only go on travel trailers. It will not go on fifth wheels. It'll only go on units where your awning goes right beneath the roof on the unit. So just keep that in mind as you're shopping around.
All right, well, thank you so much, Eric, for being here and explaining what all of our trim does. So to find out more about the product, just click on the link below. Make sure to subscribe and like our channel. If you'd like any comments, please leave comments. And if you have any questions, please let us know. And always remember, when you're rolling down the road,
make sure you're rolling with RecPro.